What's up guys, so this is a really easy and quick tutorial on how you can replace your green screen in DaVinci Resolve. First of all, the first step, of course, you need a video clip with a green screen. So I shot this video clip, I already put on the phone a green screen. The next step is to replace it. So where are we gonna replace the green screen? We're gonna do that in the Fusion tab. So you're gonna select your video clip and then we go to the Fusion tab. Okay, so this looks a bit overwhelmed, but it's really easy. You can see this as your video clip, and everything that you put between this line will affect your video clip. We're gonna use the delta keyer, and to open our delta keyer tool, we need to hit Shift spacebar on our keyboard, and that's for Windows. And then we're gonna type in delta keyer right up here. So we're gonna click on it and we're gonna add it. And if we add it, it will add it between this line. Boom. So now we're gonna select the delta keyer and we want to open the inspector tool. And we're gonna drop this icon on our green screen. So now you are almost done. The next thing is you go back to your editing page and you want to put a video in this phone, right? Let's drag this video all the way up and put this video in your phone. Now, of course, you want to replace the size and the position of this video. So you're gonna select the video clip, you're gonna open the inspector tool, and right up here, you're gonna change the position, okay? Right, let's make it a bit smaller, like this. All right, so in some cases, you will have not so clean green screen, and you see a color difference. So what do I mean with this? You go back to your first clip where you change the green screen. You're gonna go back to your Fusion tab. You want to just clean up your green screen. You're gonna go to Matte and then you want to change the view mode to Matte. And right up here you see this is already a really nice clean shot. What you see is right up here you see some dirt and it's not really clean white. Okay, so we want to have a really nice clean white image. So we're gonna change the threshold and boom. Very nice, very easy. We're gonna change the view mode to final result. Now we're gonna go back to edit and our green screen is now clean. The image is nice and clean. Really easy tutorial. If you like this, give me a thumb up. Write something in the comment and I will check you out in my next video.